How to get working bulk food discount promo codes. Want to cut down on your food delivery costs? Let's explore how to get working bulk food promo codes today. So start with the Bolt Food app. New users often get discounts like 15% off your first order or free delivery promos. Second is to visit trusted coupon sites such as the voucher discount website and coupon follow. Trusted coupon sites list working codes as We Thrift Bolt FR 15% off your first order, We Thrift Bolt NL 20% off first order. Seasonal codes offering up to 40% off. Community driven guides on YouTube also share updated codes. These are tested by users and often include region specific discounts. So at the checkout, go ahead and enter your promo code in the discount box. Verified codes apply instantly. So always confirm the discount before payment. That is how to get working both food discount promo codes.